Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to repair dry and damaged hair using simple home remedies. If you've been struggling with brittle locks, this video is perfect for you. We'll be sharing some fantastic tips and tricks to bring your hair back to life. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Our first remedy is the avocado treatment. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and essential nutrients that can deeply moisturize your hair. Mash a ripe avocado and apply it evenly to your damp hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off. You'll be amazed by the smoothness and shine it brings back to your locks. Next up is the butter massage. Yes, you heard it right. Massage a small amount of softened butter onto your hair and scalp. This will help nourish and hydrate your strands, leaving them softer and more manageable. Make sure to leave it on for 15 minutes before shampooing. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to luscious, moisturized hair. Moving on, let's talk about conditioning with olive oil. Olive oil has been used for centuries to promote hair health. Warm up some olive oil and gently massage it onto your scalp and hair. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes. The oil will deeply condition your hair, giving it a gorgeous sheen and restoring its natural elasticity. Now, let's discuss the wonders of tea. Rinse your hair with freshly brewed, cooled tea after shampooing. The antioxidants and tannins in tea can help strengthen your hair follicles, reduce breakage, and add a natural shine. You can use black tea, green tea, herbal teas. Give it a try and your hair will thank you. Our fifth remedy is an apple cider vinegar mask. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and apply the solution to your hair after shampooing it. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the pH of your hair and remove product buildup, leaving your strands softer and more manageable. Say hello to vibrant, revitalized hair, and there you have it. 5 incredible home remedies to repair dry and damaged hair. Whether it's the nourishing avocado treatment, the indulgent butter massage, or the refreshing tea rinse, these remedies are sure to transform your hair. Don't forget to give them a try and let us know your results. Thanks for watching, beautiful people. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips.